have displayed in Delhi after a long time, and the response is really very good. I can sense the growth of MSME in the NCR region, and the companies want the higher quality technology and the products. The India at the moment, it is absolutely the right time to introduce the better technologies and also the higher quality and high-tech products. And platform like this, DMTX, is ideal to introduce it to MSMEs.
A lot of new customers are coming. We have received a lot of new leads through this, and now customers are also looking towards solutions of automation and other things along with the machine. And this time we could see that not only from Delhi NCR, a lot of customers are coming from other states like Punjab, Rajasthan, and they are showing a lot of interest to buy new machines.
The response is very good. A lot of corporates are coming. Lots of MSME customers are coming. So we are getting a lot of inquiries. People are appreciating our stall, seeing the technology and appreciating.
First of all, I must congratulate IMTMA on organizing this exhibition. It is a very well organized and very well set up event. We have exhibitors from across the industry. We are meeting customers from various sectors, and it's a very good opportunity for us to have various conversations, let customers know about the various solutions that Castrol has, how our products in the metalworking space can help them improve their performance, can help them reduce their total cost of operations, and in the end help them be more competitive in their market and better serve their customers.
We are participating at Delhi DMTX 23, which is a great opportunity to us to show our products to all the peoples in this Delhi region, Punjab region, and it is a good experience to us.
We have had quality footfalls and had very good inquiries too.
Response is also very good, and the crowd as well as the customers are coming from various states like Ludhiana, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Delhi NCR. So many potential customers are already visited to our stall.
We find that crowd is very good, and also the quality of the participation and the crowd is quite good. And we also see a lot of foreign participation in this exhibition. And also we participated last time, but when compared to that, this year participation and also the exhibition crowd is much better. So we hope in the coming years this exhibition will have a great success.
it has been always enriching working with this show. And this time I could see that many big players of our industry had participated. As far as so far, it has been so much of, up to quality of service and support and visitor level, it has been so much of satisfactory level. Thank you so much. Expecting many more good shows like this in future.